Okay guys, so what I played here is basically a repetition of what I did before. So I won't show you what I've shown you before. I'll rather focus on what I haven't shown you before. Okay, and there are just few of them here. So let's just start from the walk-up. And remember, this chord here is basically the 1 chord over the 5. And I've shown you that before. But for us to go back to our circle, we had to do something, and that's to play switches of the E flat major chord, or inversions of the E flat major chord. Okay, so remember our left hand stays the same on the 5, and that is the D flat and F there. And our right hand, there's the first chord here, and that's the E flat major chord first inversion, which is G, B flat, and the E flat. Then our right hand goes to the next inversion of the E flat major chord, which is the second inversion, and that is B flat, E flat, and G. Then finally goes to the root position of the E flat major chord, and that is the E flat, G, and the B flat. So I hope you get a point here. So we're now back on our circle. Then I've shown you all this before. Okay, that's the next stuff that I haven't shown you. So when we go to the 3, you know there's 3 already. So we're getting to the 6, but we're playing a rootless 6 actually. So we just walk up from that 6. Hope you get it. So that is C. Let's say D flat. Let's not use C sharp. So D flat, D, E flat, and E. But as I'm landing on that E, that's when my right hand steps on this chord, and that is basically the D flat diminished 7th chord. However, we're removing this G from it, so which is left with D flat, E, and B flat. Okay, after playing this, you just kind of switch the inversion of this diminished 7th chord. But right now we're gonna be taking away the E from it, so which means we're left with B flat, D flat, and G. Okay, then back to your workup. So see it in real time. Just to link it back towards to our circle again. I hope you get the points. So that's it.